Okay, right now it's almost like 12:20. On the way I saw one waterfalls, nobody knows the name. Either way, I'm going to check it out. There's a lot of power lines going. Very hard to fly the drone also at the same time. The place nearby, Ipit Bridge. Have a look. That's the bridge name. The people near over here, they helped me a lot. So I'm going alone now. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Wow, you have billiards. Wow, see, you have billiards. The kids playing billiards. Woohoo! Wow. That's a beautiful shot over here. Look how beautiful it is. Seriously, all day I'm just driving. This is a walking time. Hopefully, I reach that place on time. It's a nice clear stream over here. That's a hanging bridge. I think from there it's much easier. I don't know how it's going to end. So far, we have walking path. That Ongang waterfalls, they ask for the guide 500 pesos. At the same time, entrance fee 100 pesos, that's reasonable. 50 pesos for the entrance fee, that is also reasonable. For one person, for a guide, I had to pay 500. So I don't want to go for it. Looks like there is a way up. I don't know. Wow. Hello po. How to go to the falls? Okay. She's showing some of the place. Let's see how it goes. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Hello po. Falls?
Oh,
Waterfalls?
nice.
Wow. Hanging bridge. Wow. Hello po. Waterfalls? Waterfalls. Okay. Not gonna lie, getting steeper. Walking under some kind of vignette. Ooh. Different experience. We call it chow chow. So it is round 2. I went. Oh, yeah. My God. I went in the wrong way. Almost like half a kilometer.
It's very near. Here.
Wow. I wish I would have wear the other shoe. Right now I'm wearing Crocs, which is no good.
They will accompany you.
Okay, thank you. I wish I were other shoe. I'm wearing Crocs. They are figuring out. Shit, nobody goes here. I'm the only person. Okay. Let's try. Wow. I can see the difference between Crocs and the shoes. How do I wear Crocs? How do I wear shoes? Oh. Whew. Okay. Okay. So. I can't believe this thing. Ooh. There's a way out.
Huh?
Ooh. Wow. Ah. I'm losing my energy. Look. India. Hey! Okay. Can't believe this thing. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Wow. It is worth it. Water was very cold and crystal clear. Whew. Wow. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Wow. Very cold. Seriously cold. Anyway, I keep swimming over here. It's a beautiful waterfall. I highly recommend for everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel will be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Bye bye.